Hi, ma'am.
Hi.
Today it's a rapid fire round. I'll ask you a few questions. Feel free to answer in a word or a sentence or elaborate if you like.
Sure.
What is the ideal time or age to get pregnant?
Okay, the ideal age is definitely in your 20s and preferably early 20s because fertility appadan jastiya irukum. But having said that, which is the right age to get married? Whenever you find the right partner.
Which AMH level is good for pregnancy or fertility?
AMH normal range la irunduchina, that is sort of an indicator that you have enough time to decide when you want to get pregnant. Low AMH does not always mean that you will have difficulty getting pregnant, just that stock of eggs konja kammiya irukku, whereas high AMH may indicate that you have PCOS.
Are IVF babies so smart?
IVF babies are not more smart or less smart, they are like any other babies.
What is the first thing that comes to your mind when you hear the word infertility?
Trauma. It is definitely physical, mental, emotional trauma to the patient, couple, and immediate family.
What type of lubricants can we use for private parts?
Lubricants, if you're using it for dry skin over the vulva, you can use any oil or liquid paraffin or any of these washes or moisturizers which you're using which does not have fragrance. But inside the vagina, it depends what you're using it for. If you have pain during sex, you can use coconut oil or oil base, water base, silicone base, or fertility friendly if you're planning for a baby.
When should I visit a gynecologist for the first time?
Usually women do tend to visit the gynecologist in their early 20s. So I would say if you're having any problems with your periods, please visit us beforehand. Otherwise, at least at the time in your early 20s to talk about your cycle, what is normal, what is not, and what care you should be taking going forward.
Why is sex so painful sometimes?
That's very difficult to answer. Sex can be painful for a variety of reasons. It can be lack of lubrication. மாதிரி ரொம்ப சிம்பிளான பிரச்சனை. ப்ராப்பராக நம்மளுக்கு செக்ஸ் எஜுகேஷன் இல்லை, ஃபோர்த் பிளேல டைம் ஸ்பெண்ட் பண்ணல, டிசையர் இல்லை. இதிலிருந்து ஆரம்பிச்சு it can be many major problems or problems in the vagina, infections, any conditions in the pelvis which are contributing to pains. It's a very wide range of conditions starting from the very simple to more serious.
I have lots of vaginal discharge. Is that normal, ma'am?
Vaginal discharge by itself is mostly physiological. It is normal. But if it is profuse, if the color change is there, ரொம்ப திக்கா, curdy-ஆ, இல்லை greenish yellow-வா, light grayish-ஆ, இந்த மாதிரி வித்தியாசமா இருந்தது, itching உண்டாக்குச்சு, or there's some foul smell, then it is likely to be infectious.
How soon can I find out if I am pregnant?
Pregnancy first நம்ம கண்டுபிடிக்கிறது blood testல தான், which is called as beta HCG, and that can be detected even before you miss your periods. But for most people, if we are doing a urine pregnancy test at home அப்படின்னா maybe at least 5 days உங்களுக்கு நாள் தள்ளி போயிருக்குன்னா டெஸ்ட் பண்ணி பார்க்கலாம்.
I'm concerned about my vaginal odor. What's normal?
Vaginas by themselves have this slightly musty odor as such, but that's the way they are supposed to smell. And don't think it has to travel. I don't think vaginas need to smell like a tropical garden. So please do not use any artificial fragrances there. If you have any more common concerns, doubts regarding women's health, please do leave it in the comments and we'll be sure to get back to you. We are here to help you. And do like, share and subscribe to our page for more health related information.